Good power.
I don't know what we're supposed to do.
With a phone call to Santa and a lift from the photographer, they're back on track for photos at the Capitol. They even beat the bus for the rest of the wedding party.
Jump as high as you can on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Back at the horse farm, the race is on to finish turning the barn into a formal reception hall. Drinks are hung, the heaters arrive, and the farm owner reaches a compromise with the caterer.
We're going to move some of the other horses that I think might be more sensitive to the old barn.
The elaborate 4-tiered wedding cake is one of the last items to arrive. Yesterday's destructive storm nearly made it a no-show. With her power knocked out, the cake designer had to decorate it in the back of her SUV using just the interior car light.